do, or I've told my guys to do, is actually rotate it at a 90-degree angle, and then that way you're not hitting nothing. All right, so you've offloaded it off of your vehicle. Simply grab your straps, and or if you've got forearm straps, they work really well. Simply put it back. And also make sure that your camera doesn't get hit while you're trying to do this video.